If you can remember, we have made lots of recipes using bananas. Our today's recipe is an eggless version of chocolate banana bread. If you haven't seen my previous chocolate banana bread recipe and banana butter cake recipe, you can use these above links to get those videos. Today we need these ingredients for our recipe. First, in a medium bowl, we can combine all of our dry ingredients together and keep it aside. Then get a large bowl and beat butter and sugar until creamy. In another bowl, we need to make banana puree. For this, you can use your blender, beater or mash them with a fork. Add this banana puree into the butter mixture and beat well to combine. After that, we can add condensed milk and vanilla. Gradually add dry ingredients and slowly beat until flour mixture combines with banana mixture. Make sure not to overmix. Gently fold chocolate chips with the mixture. Finally, we can transfer this cake batter into a baking tray and sprinkle some chocolate chips on top. This banana cake needs to be baked around 40 to 45 minutes under 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. After baking, you can let it cool down completely and enjoy. If you like to get notifications of my upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.